Remove the hanger bracket from within the motor housing. Leave 2 screws. Screws must be across from each other, not adjacent. Lightly secured in the bracket to hang the fan later. Install the fan blades on the motor housing using the supplied screws. Ensure the correct face of the blade is facing up. Twist and pull to remove cover from LED light. Insert the wire set through the lamp plate and insert the wire set into the connector housing near the center of the lamp plate. Then install the lamp plate to the motor and secure the lamp lens by aligning the notches and rotating the lens clockwise. Using the screws provided, secure the hanger bracket to the J-box by aligning the screw holes. Pull supply wires through the bracket. Using the supplied wire nuts, connect the black receiver wire to the hot supply wire, the white receiver wire to the neutral supply wire, and the ground wires from the motor, receiver, and mounting bracket to the bare copper green supply wire. Then insert the connectors from the motor into the respective ports on the receiver. Align the grooves in the motor housing with the 2 screws that are on the hanger bracket from step 2. Tighten 2 screws about 70%, then use the remaining 2 screws to secure the fixture to hanger bracket, tighten them 100%. Installation is now complete. Restore power and turn the light on using the remote.